Ranchito, good morning. We've got the little boys playing with turtles and everybody waking up. And we've got the big boys on the porch making breakfast. What's for breakfast there?
We got scrambled eggs and shrimp. Shrimp there.
Yeah.
Bacon.
Shrimp bits. Eggs. Eggs. Ooh.
Sausage balls.
Bacon. Good, chef. Does he look like he's chewing on?
Maybe a fish? Is that water deep? Yes. Really? Not that deep. Yes, maybe. It's not. That's an entire tree under the water. It's running towards us.
So if he hammers this carcass.
He's had all day to do it. I don't imagine he's...
Oh, the turtle just popped his head up right there with that carcass.
So is that white thing the gut?
Mm-hmm.
That's, yeah. And so is that red blob. What is the red blob?
Okay. The base started. Got some BB gun instructions going on here. And the foreman. Which one are you going to shoot at? Shoot at the red one here first. See that gut bubble?
Yeah, you gotta move the gate up.
Are you sure you're going to be that close? Yeah, that's fine. Are we going to get sprayed here?
Oh, hold on.
Ready when you are. Hold on, wait, not yet. Brent, do your worst. Ooh. All right, hold on. Reload and get that guy out in the water there. Yucky.
Oh, that smells good.
Get this red guy again.
Where?
Right here on the shore. I don't know. Ow! All right. Fun with guns. Nice work. I know.
I'm gonna try it.
That was a good throw, Braden.
Can I try one?
A nice one.
Shooting a couple more if somebody wants to throw.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Lucian, you gotta fling it and then stop. Like, swing real hard like this. Watch me. Fling real hard and then stop. Yeah, kind of like that.
I'm so worried that's gonna hit me in the face.
Daddy, you wanna help him out here? All right, ready when y'all are.